Welcome to Chenghao Display. Now I will introduce our 4-inch round LCD screen. This LCD screen has an 4-inch color display area, which supports 720 by 720 resolution output and free viewing angle. In addition, the display also has a 40-pin FPC, supporting SPI and RGB interfaces. This circular LCD screen is mainly customized for installation on motorcycle odometers. The FPC, interface type, backlight brightness, and other contents of the LCD screen can be modified and customized according to customer requirements. 3.5-inch touch LCD module, 7-inch IPS Tft Display, 8-inch Sunlight Readable Display, 12.3-inch car LCD screen. If you are looking for a high-quality LCD supplier, you are welcome to contact us through the following website. Thank you for watching.